So yeah, hello everyone, and yeah, we are starting by putting on some lip balm so that your lips ain't dry. Yes, and then next we are putting on the foundation. Yes, and I'm using this very cute pink sponge that I bought from a very random store. Yes, and I don't have a big mirror, so I'm either using the monitor or the hand mirror that I have in my hand. But yeah, just blend the foundation just like that, how I'm doing it right now. Make sure you blend the foundation really good so that there's no any bumps or lumps there, because then it will look very stupid. And then next I'm going to counter my cheekbones with this one. Yes, just like there, so that you can see that there's a shadow, but it's not that visible because I don't want myself to look too skinny or anything. So or you can counter your cheekbones or whatever you want. Just this is how I prefer to do it. You can do however you like it. You can put with the base makeup however you want, but this is well, I like to contour my chin. I don't know if it makes it look more masculine or something, but and next we are putting on some contour for my nose, because this it doesn't work with the fucking brush, so I'm going to use the stick instead. So I use this to make my nose look more thin, and it gives this I learned this from an anime tutorial, so it gives you this anime nose, I think. So now I'm just blending it in and just checking how it looks on camera. In real life it actually, yeah, it looks pretty dark, but apparently I don't seem to mind. And now I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose and between the eyebrows and just blend it in. It looks okay, yeah, dancing. And blend it in some more. And if you're wondering why I'm looking the other way, it's because I'm watching Family Guy at the same time. Now I'm going to hide my dark bottom eyelids, because I just naturally have very dark eyelids, and I also don't sleep very well, so yeah. And next we are going to put some glittery highlighter shit on my forehead and blend it in with my hand, and then same on the cheeks. As you can see, it's very light, and in the right light it's going to be like really shiny and stuff. So yes, and my nose is itchy because I have a dog, and dog fur always goes into my nose. And now I'm going to do the eyeliner. I just do the eyeliner on the bottom line, because I don't know, I don't like doing the upper one because I can't do it. I suck at it. And apparently I covered the whole thing with the hand mirror so you can see how I'm doing it, but I think you guys know how you do an eyeliner, hopefully. And oh my god, I'm blind! And next we are doing the eyeshadow. I'm using this random palette. I don't know, my mother bought it, so and yeah, I'm using this one. It's this silver, shiny, glittery silver. Surprisingly, because the theme of this video is glitter makeup, because that's gay as fuck. Now I'm putting on some darker eyeliner to give like more depth to the makeup. I don't know how, like, you know what, that like the real makeup tutorial people, those professional people, how they do it. Yeah, that's what I'm exactly trying to do, and I'm just blending it in while making silly faces. Awesome. Yes, and some more. It's this black shiny thing that I'm putting on my eyelids. Awesome, and more dancing. And now, by the way, if you want to do something extra, I have this gem right here. Yeah, and I'm going to put it like in the middle and between my eyebrows, and it's going to take so long to put it right, so I'm just going to skip the process. And now I'm going to put on some smaller gems, like next to the big one that I have. I'm going to use scissors to cut them into smaller pieces because I have this huge sheet of small gems, and they are like at least 10 pieces at once. So now there's two gems in a row, and let's get another one, because shitty memes. And I'm going to put it on, and if you don't have enough glue on the gem, just use some stick glue stick and put it on right there. And I lost the hand mirror, so I'm using my phone as a mirror. And let's just do some funny poses, and let's continue. Also, I found the hand mirror, so I'm using it to put on some of the silver eyeshadow, glittery eyeshadow, and I will now darken my eyebrows a bit, just a little bit, because if you darken them too much, it will look stupid, especially if you have blonde hair like me, or bleached hair. And I also put on some silver shiny lip gloss to complete the look. And now I'm going to find my Christmas hat. My whole face is covered in glitter. My clothes are covered in glitter. There's that shit in my hair too.